Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to view memories on Snapchat. All right. It is pretty easy to do. You're just going to want to make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. All right. First up, go ahead and go to your Play Store or respective App Store if you're using iOS. In here, just go ahead and use the search function, which is at the bottom right here. Tap on it and tap on Search Apps and Games. In here, just locate Snapchat or go ahead and type in Snapchat right here, and you should be able to see Snapchat. All right, tap on Snapchat. Now, if you ever see update right here, just go ahead and tap on it. All right, now once you're done with that, go ahead and close your Play Store or App Store, then go back and open up Snapchat. Now in here, as you can see, go ahead and tap on the photo icon right here at the bottom left. Tap on it. As you can see, you'll be landed to the home, where you can see your recently added snaps, your camera roll, your AI snaps, stories, and also my eyes only tab. All right, go ahead and set it up if you want. Now, another way to bring up your memories is by swiping up right here at the bottom. Swipe up. All right, as you can see, it brings up to the same section again. That's basically how you view memories on Snapchat. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.